Welcome to Knowledge Beyond Expectation. In today's episode, we'll talk about the top CMS in 2021. CMS are like time savers, meaning you can build your website or add additional features to it just by a few clicks instead of writing from scratch. But which one is the best CMS to learn and work on is a headache. Today, we are here to get rid of that headache, and we've brought to you a list of top CMS to learn and work on in 2021. So let's begin. Serendipity. Serendipity is a PHP powered web blog engine which gives the user an easy way to maintain a blog. While the default package is designed for a casual blogger, Serendipity offers an expandable framework with the power of professional applications. It is a lightweight and user-friendly framework that can ever be seen, but its primarily function is that it is focused on blogging, which can be a huge down point. That is why it is on number 5 of our today's list. Typo 3. Typo 3 is a free enterprise class CMS based on PHP. It combines open source code with readability and true scalability. When it comes to user friendliness, on the other hand, Typo 3 isn't usually a first pick. In our experience, this CMS is best suited for users who have some experience when it comes to web development. However, Typo 3 includes a lot of features such as multilingual, etc. Drupal. Drupal seems to be third in the CMS list that carries a lot of weight in discussion about the best open source CMS. While WordPress and Joomla already beat Drupal, however, there are some areas where Drupal is in class of its own. Its taxonomy level, for example, is much more powerful than its competitors. In addition, Drupal is considered to be more secure platform than both WordPress and Joomla. It is also written in PHP programming language. Joomla. When people debate which is the best CMS software, Joomla is one of the names that come up most often alongside WordPress. The general point is that while Joomla may not be as beginner friendly as WordPress, it is equipped with some powerful tools and features. That is why it is here in number 2 in our list. It is also written in PHP programming language. WordPress. We're willing to bet that you have probably heard about WordPress. This CMS boasts the largest market share among its competitors by far, and it is easy to see why. WordPress was designed as a blogging platform, but it's grown far beyond that point. WordPress is much easier to use and has thousands of plugins and themes to work upon. According to Forbes, top 10 million websites developed and designed using WordPress. WordPress is written in PHP. The one most important thing to be noticed is that all the top CMSs are written in PHP. If you are interested to know top programming languages to learn in 2021, we already have a video on it. Link given in description. Get this video a huge thumbs up, and if you want to watch more videos like these, subscribe to our channel. Please place a comment if you have any question, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy learning.